closing out. If you find yourself with a bull call spread expiring partially in the money and are not comfortable risking assignment on a short call that is expiring out of the money, you might consider closing out the whole spread just before it expires. Remember that a long option holder can exercise any contract, whether it's in the money or not. In other words, you can't be absolutely immune to assignment on an expiring short call. As expiration approaches and a bull call spread is at least partially in the money, you should begin to think about whether to let the spread expire with the possibility that the exercise and assignment process will begin. Close out the spread by selling the whole thing or the long call part of it, if appropriate, in the marketplace. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.